So here's another HTML element called list item, and there are two types of list item. One is ordered list and another is unordered list. So we'll start with unordered list. For unordered list we have to write just ul, and for list item we have to write list li. Before that we should give a title for this item. You can write it down here, S3 under S3 tag. List of universities and its programs. Okay, so here we will give the list here. First university name, suppose there is two items, so another university here. So three universities in here. If you now, I just saved this page, so just reload this from here. See, there are list of universities in H3 tag and then UL and LI tag, this university list. Now we will add some program in here, and as our program is under this university, so we will add this program between this line, this li. So in this li we will write another list item called ol, order list here, and most of them are similar beside the ol. Down. Let's save this now. Go to your page, reload. See, there is 1, 2, 3 in order, then under this university. So you can see the difference between ordered list and unordered list. So similar to this one, you can write it down from another under another university, or you can just keep this individually here. If you do it individually, it will not go under any list item. This is now different and totally individual. So this is how you can write ordered list and unordered list, basically the list items. And another common HTML element is called table. Here we have a table in Microsoft Word. We will create a table similar to this one. There will be a table header, student ID, student name and contact, and there will be informations, table data, where actual information from the students, student ID, name and contact will be provided. So let's start with this in Sublime Text. You have to write down the table tag. Table tag will start and end here. In between we have two parts in the table. One is table head and another is table data, content here. So first we have to write the table head. In this table head we have to create a row, because this is a row, this one is row, and there are three columns here. So first we have to write the row as row, and then under this row we'll have to put the header. First one is ID, like this one, and then we have another two item here. Okay, so we have three items in here: table row, then three table header. Right now we have created that header row, so just go to this page, reload this one, and you can see a table header here. This is not actually the similar, but it will be. First our header is done, it is bold, and our header is done here. And now go to table body, because these elements, these contents will be under the body. This is a head and this will be under in this body. So write down the table body. Under this table body there are two rows here. One is for student 001 and another is for student 002, and in this one row there are 3 columns like the top one. So first we have to create one row for this table row TR. Then we have to provide the data, which is called TD. So here first student data is 001 and his second data is his name, and the name is his third data. This is all for one student. This is for one student only. So his 3 data will be here. Contact. I'm just giving a random contact number in here. So if you save this one right now, Ctrl S, go to the web page, click reload. You can see here one student information is here. So like this you can add another one. Just copy and paste here. So we have 2 tables data here, and just save this one and reload in this page. Here you can see 2 data in here. Though we are not discussing the CSS style here, but for this one only I will use only one style, so that our table will look more sensible, because it is not actually looking like a table here. So we will use only one style here, which is called border. Border equal to quotation mark 1. That means our border pixel will be 1 in size. So just save this and go to reload your page. So you can see now there is a border in this table. So far this is for the table part. Now you can add as many rows as you want, and there will be a header and row. For row there will be data. Now we will add an image in our web page. So for picture you can just write image tag, and there is no ending for the image tag. Like this, you have to write image img, then src equal to quotation mark. Under this quotation mark you will put your image source in here. So first we need a picture. Here we have one picture in here. In this image png, image.png is our picture name. So this picture is in the same direction, in the same directory of our HTML page. So this is actually important. If there is another folder here, and if our image is in this folder, our code will be different. I'll show you that, but first for the same directory, so we have to write it down the picture name only here. So if you write it down, I believe the picture will come here. See, the picture is here. Here is your picture. Because the picture is in same directory, so if you put this picture, and sorry, this picture is in table tag, under table tag, we'll keep it outside of the table tag. The table is above. So if you put this picture under this folder, under image folder, like this, and if you go and reload, the picture will not show because this is in a different directory. So you have to change the code here right now. We have to just put folder name and slash then image name. So it will look for the folder, this folder, then it will look for this picture and this extension. So if you save this now and reload here, you'll get your picture in here. And there is another option called alternative, ALT. Alternative will put some alternative text in here when your picture is not loading. If there is any problem in this picture, this alternative text will show. So first write it down, the alternative text here. This is the alternative name. You can put anything in here, it doesn't matter actually. So I am just putting the image source. So we have image source, the directory folder, and we have alternative text for this image. So write it down, load it down here. So there is no difference in here, but if you change this only one thing, as the picture will not show, the picture directory, there is no picture, there is nothing called image.pn, because our picture is here image.png. that means our picture should not be shown in this site. Here you can see the picture is not here, but the alternative text is here. Alternative text in here, because if the picture is not here, the alternative text will show, right? And we will see one more thing for picture, as we already discussed, as we already add one CSS before, so we will add another one is here, which is called width. Width, we will put width for 300 pixel, just write 300, and you can see picture is reduced in size. So if you put 500, it will be increased. See here. So that's it for the picture, and this is for this tutorial section. Thank you for watching.